interesting for us writers. It's not enough now to sit behind our desk and write a beautiful piece of work. We have to go out and sell it. And we often do that through short and long speeches. So the question is, how do we speak about our work? How do we make that a powerful experience that works for us and for the audience? There's three things I would think. One is to have a sense of mission. That is to know why your work matters and to believe in it. And sometimes we have to work hard to do that because we lack confidence. So it's about actually thinking about, why has what I've written, what does it mean? What's my mission in writing this book? What's the good it's going to do? What's the ideas it's going to stir up? What's the antagonism it's going to cause? What's the emotion it's going to generate? The second thing is relevance. So every work of art, every book, every idea comes out into its time. So have a think when you're going around selling your book, what's happening in the world around you that actually makes this work relevant? And don't be afraid to link it to that. So give the work a resonance and relevance in the world now. And the third thing I think is really important for writers is, because we're nervous and we're protecting ourselves, sometimes we're a little bit afraid to tell the truth about our process and what we're doing and how we've gone about it. So the third thing that makes a speech fantastic is honesty. And don't be afraid to be honest when you speak about your work.